This is a low-power view of a section of bladder from a patient who had ketamine cystitis. Ketamine is a drug that is used as an anaesthetic, particularly on animals. It may also be used for pain relief and sedation in humans. The problem with ketamine is that it is an addictive drug and is sometimes misused as a recreational drug, especially in clubs. Ketamine is of interest to urologists and urological pathologists because it can cause cystitis. It presents with bladder pain, painful micturition, haematuria, frequency, urgency, a sensation of bladder fullness, and also may cause incontinence. Ketamine causes inflammation, ulceration and scarring of the bladder wall. The bladder wall becomes thickened and loses its elasticity, and the useful volume of the bladder may decrease to as little as 50 mL. Complications of ketamine cystitis include urinary outflow obstruction, reduced functional bladder capacity, and kidney damage as a result of the increased pressure of the urine due to the outflow obstruction, resulting in hydronephrosis. Histological features of ketamine cystitis include urothelial cytologic atypia. The urothelium may become denuded and ulcerated. There is edema and congestion of the lamina propria and scarring of the bladder wall. In this section of the bladder, there is some residual urothelium. Here it shows some reactive atypia and loss of single urothelial cells. As we move along the urothelium, you can see that there is gradual thinning of the urothelium and then eventual complete loss of urothelium where the bladder has become denuded. Atypia due to ketamine may be a problem in bladder biopsies where it is not known that a patient is a ketamine abuser, and the atypia may be misreported as something more sinister. The clue is, however, ketamine abusers tend to be young adults, whereas flat transitional cell carcinoma in situ tends to occur in older patients. This section of the bladder shows complete loss of urothelium, and the underlying bladder wall shows a full thickness chronic inflammatory infiltrate with the presence of lymphoid aggregates. And here is a higher power view showing complete loss of urothelium with underlying edema and congestion of the lamina propria. In this section of the bladder, you can see how the underlying lamina propria has become extremely vascular with proliferating capillaries, and it is easy to see why the patient may well present with haematuria. And finally, this is a section through the deep muscle of the bladder. You can see at the left and right hand sides of the picture the pink staining muscle, and in the middle there is the paler pink area, and this is scar tissue. And this demonstrates why the bladder will lose its elasticity, its functional volume, and why the bladder wall will become thickened. To recap, ketamine abuse may cause cystitis with severe consequences over time.